Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. Now in this video I'm going to be fitting a new Alcantara wheel to my MX5. So at the side of me I have the new wheel, which I shall just show you. Which is the new Alcantara steering wheel. Now this is been made by a company called Guardian Designs, which are based in Europe, and they have made me a MX5 wheel fully in Alcantara. So I'll do some close-ups for the wheel and then we'll get it fitted. So I've disconnected the fuse and I've got my instructions on my phone of how to remove the wheel correctly, so let's get started. So there we have it. I'm so happy with that. Really happy with that. It's just such a look. Just look at that. There's something about a really thick wheel that is. Oh, and the 12 o'clock there. Oh, look at that. Absolutely love it. All the stitching was the same colour as the stitching on there to match. Everything changed over. Bit of a nightmare to get these off, but apart from that, that is fantastic. Yeah, so just let's put the fuse back in and there you go. Thanks very much for watching this video. I just thought I'd film installing it, as you saw there. A bit quick time lapse of that, but yeah, it was really happy with that. And there's going to be another video coming with this car because this car is now 30mm lower. But that's all going to be for another video. So as always, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.